Today, we're exploring Eero's Pause feature and understanding why it exists. Eero Pause is a parental control system that can block internet access to specific devices in your home. Eero identifies and controls devices using something called a MAC address. Think of a MAC address as a unique digital fingerprint that every network device has. Now let's see how Eero Pause actually works. When a device is paused, Eero blocks its internet access while still allowing it to connect to the local network. You might wonder why these parental controls exist in the first place. They're typically set up for important reasons: to help develop healthy screen time habits, ensure you get proper sleep, and most importantly, to protect you from online threats. The need for online safety is very real. According to a 2022 report, 72% of children globally have experienced some type of cyber threat. This includes phishing scams, cyberbullying, and exposure to inappropriate content. Instead of trying to bypass these safety measures, the best approach is open communication. Talk with your parents or guardians about your internet needs. Explain what you want to do online and why it's important to you. Most parents are willing to adjust restrictions when they understand your perspective and see that you're being responsible. Now let's explore the various methods people attempt to use when trying to bypass Eero's Pause feature. While I'll explain how these work, remember that these methods often fail and aren't recommended. The first and most common method is MAC address spoofing. Every device on your network has a unique MAC address that Eero uses to identify and control it. By changing your device's MAC address, you can make it appear as a completely new, unpaused device on the network. Here's how this attack typically works. However, modern Eero systems are getting smarter. They may flag new devices joining the network and alert parents. Plus, Eero is developing default network profiles that apply restrictions to all new devices automatically. The second method people try is using a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel that can mask your IP address and potentially bypass content filters. While VPNs can bypass some content filters by routing your traffic through encrypted tunnels, they have a major limitation. They typically don't work against scheduled pauses that are based on your device's MAC address. iOS devices have a built-in feature called private Wi-Fi address that automatically randomizes your MAC address. This can sometimes bypass Eero's device identification system. However, Eero is aware of this feature and is continuously updating its software to detect and handle randomized MAC addresses. The effectiveness of this method varies and may not work consistently. There are a couple of other methods people try, like manually changing their device's time and date or using a mobile hotspot to bypass the Eero network entirely. But here's the reality. These methods are becoming less effective as Eero continuously improves its parental control systems. The company is actively working to close these loopholes. The most important takeaway is this: instead of trying to bypass parental controls, the best approach is always open and honest communication with your parents or guardians. These controls are usually in place for good reasons.